Quddus' world.
There we go. No worries, we love to share.
Oh, look at, there we go.
So, here we go, we'll pull that off.
It's gonna be hot, Abe. Don't bite him right away.
That's for you. I'll take that.
Oh, what do you say?
Off you go.
Thank you very much.
No worries.
My marshmallow!
Be careful it doesn't fall on you.
Thank you. Hi, Dave. You want to hear? Avery, come here. Avery.
Here you go, Juicy.
Avery.
Let's put ours together.
There you go, Avery.
Let's put ours together.
Look, it's got a big handle. You'll be okay. Here, look. Good job, Avery.
Rising kings and queens, welcome to another edition of Hot in the World. I am your host, Lady Redbone, again bringing you another unique and fun location showcasing around the world. We are here in the beautiful Randolph, New Hampshire on Route 2 at the Mount Jefferson View Lodgings. This place is absolutely amazing. It's completely affordable, offers a lot of accommodations, including some Wi-Fi. Why don't you come along with me? We'll do a quick tour and we'll tell you all about it.
Oh, you're happy.
Give me the cup. I'm gonna take 4 corner pictures with the machine.
I can get stuck here.
Don't buckle in yet, because he's going to have everyone get out and try to gather around for safety purposes. And you too, he's going to have you come out too. You're going to talk right to you, give you some safety tips.
Backwards. Come on up, dude. Awesome. Absolutely awesome.
Welcome to Cascade Falls! Oh, and one more thing. I have a new channel, and it's called Quddus' Biggest World. And it's not for this size. It's for an older size, so don't forget you to check it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, White Mountain ATV.
Come on, Quddus' world. Where are we? Let them know that we're in a forest.
I'm scared. That's where we are. I'm scared, I said. Alright?
Of what? You in a forest.
Alright. First, I have to tell you something. Get this video to 10,009 likes. I will do a bamboo challenge. Alright? With my whole family. Yes.
This is the USF Valley. Where's the other one that says it was a waterfall or something? Maple Walk for the Falls to Sullivan Point 2.
Is this way?
It says that way.
No.
I don't think there is a that way. I think we should stick to the beaten path.